Hello all, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'll show you how I made butter garlic prawns. To start with, 1 kg cleaned prawns are taken and in goes some salt, 1 tablespoon of crushed chilies, a tablespoon of lime juice, 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic, and everything is combined well. After about 30 minutes, 1 tablespoon of butter is heated and the marinated prawns are added to it. Some parsley and dried basil leaves are also sprinkled into the prawns to increase the flavor, and the prawns are cooked for 5 minutes on high flame. Since they get cooked very easily, this recipe can be made in no time. Now the prawns are ready to be served. I have not used any thickening agent such as corn flour or cream since I made this as a healthy salad recipe. Do try this recipe and let me know how you liked it. I'll meet you again in another video. Until then, bye bye, take care.